So you want to do slow motion in Davinci Resolve? Well, you've come to the right place. For those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Gerrit Harding, and I make videos about how to edit inside of Davinci Resolve. So if you're into that sort of thing, make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss a video. Let's jump into it. So here I have a clip of me at my desk flipping a pencil. I shot it at 240 frames per second, so it's like wicked slow motion. This is what it looks like slowed down, or how I shot it. You can see it's not moving very much. So we're going to cut this clip right here because that is where we want to start playing with our time. We're going to drag this back to the beginning so that it's easier to work with, and then we're going to find the point where we want it to start going slow. So we're going to say about right when I let go of that pencil, and then we're going to click on our clip, Control R on the keyboard, and then we're going to click on this little arrow right here. We're going to go add speed point, because this is where we want our speed to change. If you want to do the whole clip, you don't have to add this speed point. So on this part that we want to be normal speed, we're going to change the speed to 400 times. It's going to look a little bit fast, but it's close enough for what we're doing. And then as soon as that flips up, we are going to reduce this to, let's do 50%. So that if we watch that, ooh, it's normal speed until the flip, and then the flip is at that 240 frames. Super slow. It's really that easy to do slow motion in Davinci Resolve. You just need to make sure that your clips that you import have a high enough frame rate to allow for you to use slow motion in them. So hopefully this gave you everything that you needed to be able to use slow motion in Davinci Resolve. So get out there, edit your slow motion footage, and I'll see you in the next video.